Here we have the next bike on the chopping block. This is a 1976 Suzuki GT750A, UK from new, numbers correct bike. Beautiful. Seat slightly knackered, even comes with a sock. Lots of wire holding things on, but it is a UK bike. So this is into the health spa for about a 6-week stay. Got reverse calipers for extra braking performance, strut brace. This bike has done nearly 85,000 miles, so it will be getting a new gearbox. This bike is actually painted in official Red Arrows red that they actually paint the planes with. So this bike's getting called the Red Arrow, although there's nothing fast about it now. This bike is also available, and you can choose your colour if you get in early. Let me know.